Our Padayatra will start tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. in the morning, 8:30 a.m. JDS State President and Central Minister H.D. Kumar Swamiji will be present on this occasion. BJP Senior Leader and Parliamentary Board Member Shri B.S. Yediyurappa ji will also be present. And all our senior leaders, former Chief Ministers, our MPs, MLAs, MLCs, and all our party senior cadres, they will be part of this function tomorrow. Our Padayatra will start from tomorrow. It will take 8 days to reach Mysore. 8th day, we will be organizing a big function at Mysore itself, a protest rally at Mysore. See, our intent is pretty clear. BJP JDS Padayatra is not against any individual, but the Congress party, which had assured the people of Karnataka that they will provide a corrupt-free government, has failed utterly on all fronts. Today, the corruption of this Congress government has become the talk of the town. In last 14 months, the Congress government headed by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who claims himself as a champion of Ahinda community, has cheated the same Ahinda people. In Estate Development Corporation, more than 187 crores has been looted. The money which was meant for the welfare of scheduled tribe community has been looted by the Congress government headed by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji. And the money has been utilized to purchase liquor during the last Lok Sabha election. The same money has been spent in Karnataka and other states also during Lok Sabha election. And secondly, the Muda scam, where Chief Minister himself is a beneficiary from the allotment of sites at Mysore Urban Development Authority. Apart from this, more than 4,000 crores worth sites has been given it to their followers. Then this has created the loss of around 4,000 crores to the exchequer of Muda, Mysore Urban Development Authority. So BJP and JDS were demanding CBI investigation in the Muda scam. Unfortunately, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, he did not dare to answer our questions when we raised on the floor of the House. If Chief Minister was brave enough to answer our questions on the floor of the House, probably this day would not have arisen. So, BJP and JDS, we have been fighting against corruption, against this Congress government. This Congress government is anti-poor. This Congress government is anti-SC and ST. This Congress government development has come to standstill. So all the scams. So we have taken up this issue and we are starting our Padayatra from tomorrow.
Sir, on the contrary, Congress advised.
See, when so many private complaints have been lodged, when it has reached governor's doorsteps, governor is bound to act. If he is so innocent, probably Chief Minister by this time should have answered the queries raised by respected governor, rather than running away, rather than taking the shelter and protection of his cabinet colleagues. So I demand Chief Minister, instead of trying to take escape route, let him answer the questions raised by the governor.
Sir, was it an escaping tactic? Yesterday, the Council of Ministers' decision requesting the governor to take back the decision and reject the plea by advice. They are saying it was advice.
See, being a responsible government, when the opposition had raised the same issue on the floor of the House, is it not the duty of the Chief Minister to give the reply to opposition party? You are the Chief Minister. During your tenure, more than 4,000 crores has been lost to the exchequer of the Mysore Urban Development Authority. Your family is the beneficiary of the allotment of sites. And Estate Development Corporation scam, more than 187 crores has been siphoned off. And you are not answering.
Sir, contrary to this,
The
people.
common man is talking about this scandal against this Congress government today. He is bound to answer, he should answer, and he should take up the responsibility.
Congress is starting Janandolana Yatra, which is people movement counter protest against you every day before you start your Padayatra.
See, I told earlier, the Congress Yatra which is going to start from today or tomorrow, this is Paschatapa Yatra. Paschatapa Yatra means Congress has agreed, Chief Minister himself has agreed on the floor of the House that scam has taken place in Estate Development Corporation. The same Congress leaders who had assured the people of Karnataka that they will provide the corrupt-free government has failed miserably. Hence, they are bound to answer to the people of Karnataka. So, in this regard, they are going before the people of Karnataka. Thank you.
So Mr. Rahul Gandhi tweeted one thing saying that ED is targeting me after my speech in Parliament. So I'm ready. I'm waiting for with tea and biscuits.
Joke of the century. Thank you.